Welcome to Auto Insights, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, the latest automotive news, and expert insights into the world of high-performance vehicles. If you love cars, make sure to stay tuned as we dive into the details of the stunning new 2025 Ferrari Purosangue. The Ferrari Purosangue has redefined what an SUV can be, combining luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology in a way that only Ferrari can. Unlike traditional SUVs, the Purosangue maintains Ferrari's DNA of speed, agility, and aerodynamic excellence. Under the hood, it houses a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, delivering an impressive 725 horsepower and 716 Nm of torque. This power allows it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.3 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the market. The top speed exceeds 310 km per hour, ensuring that it lives up to Ferrari's performance standards. Ferrari has equipped the Purosangue with an advanced all-wheel drive system, providing exceptional grip and handling. The rear-biased power distribution ensures a dynamic driving experience, while the active suspension system keeps the ride smooth, even on challenging terrain. The four-wheel steering system enhances maneuverability, making the Purosangue surprisingly agile for its size. The design of the Purosangue stays true to Ferrari's signature aesthetics while integrating SUV practicality. The sculpted body features aerodynamic enhancements that reduce drag and improve stability. The front grille and sleek LED headlights give it an aggressive yet sophisticated look. One of the standout design elements is the rear hinged back doors, which provide easier access to the spacious and luxurious interior. Inside, Ferrari has crafted a cabin that blends sportiness with luxury. The high-quality materials, including premium leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara, create an elegant atmosphere. The dual-screen setup enhances the digital experience, with a dedicated passenger display adding to the interactive nature of the cockpit. The Purosangue also comes with Ferrari's latest infotainment system, featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. Ferrari has integrated a range of driver assistance technologies to ensure safety without compromising performance. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system make driving the Purosangue both thrilling and secure. The advanced braking system, paired with carbon ceramic discs, delivers outstanding stopping power, essential for a vehicle with such high-speed capabilities. While Ferrari has traditionally focused on supercars, the Purosangue marks a bold step into the high-performance luxury SUV segment. It competes with models like the Lamborghini Urus, Aston Martin DBX 707, and Bentley Bentayga Speed. However, Ferrari's dedication to maintaining its racing heritage sets it apart, ensuring that the Purosangue feels more like a sports car than a conventional SUV. Despite its powerful engine and performance-oriented nature, the Purosangue incorporates some efficiency measures. The engine features cylinder deactivation to improve fuel economy during cruising, and its lightweight construction helps reduce overall emissions. While not a hybrid, Ferrari has balanced performance with responsibility, ensuring that the Purosangue remains in line with evolving industry trends. Owning a Purosangue is about more than just performance and luxury, it's about exclusivity. Ferrari limits production to maintain its brand prestige, making the Purosangue a rare sight on the road. The price reflects its elite status, placing it among the most expensive SUVs in the world. However, for those seeking the ultimate fusion of Ferrari engineering and SUV practicality, it is a dream come true. With the Purosangue, Ferrari has successfully entered the SUV market without compromising its core values. It delivers thrilling performance, striking design, and cutting-edge technology, making it one of the most exciting vehicles of 2025. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more in-depth car reviews, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Insights. Stay tuned for more exciting automotive content.